everybody. I, Rahul of class 9, feel proud to list out the activities that we had done during the academic session 2016 to 17. Think ahead, go beyond was our theme of the year. All activities we performed was based on this theme. We had a significant accomplishment under dynamic, inspiring, motivating and productive principal Mr. R. Raghunathan. He was supported by an able team of Mrs. Samuda ACO, Mrs. Arula PAO and other faculty members.
Good evening everybody. I, Harsha of class 7, feel proud to read out the annual report of this academic year 2016-17. New staff joined in this year. Ms. Vinodini, Ms. Pauline, Ms. Kalavati, Ms. Juliet Sahaya Mary, Ms. Arulvani, Ms. Chandana, Ms. Kokila, Mr. Arul Prasad, Mr. Madan and Mr. Saravanan. 7 of our staffs, namely Ms. Maithili, Ms. Manonmani, Ms. Sasikala, Ms. Prema, Ms. Jagdishwari, Ms. Pushpalata and Ms. Saranya were recognized by the Board of Directors for their excellent performance in the past. Mr. R. Raghunathan, recipient of Best Principal Award, was given recognition by the Lions Club of Mayiladurai.
The year 16-17 began with the election of our new SPL. We celebrated our investor ceremony on 22nd April in a grand manner. Mrs. Rani, Inspector of Police, presided over the function and gave away the badges to the SPL, DSPL and class monitors.
On 21st June, International Yoga Day was celebrated in our school. Students demonstrated different yogasanas to explain the significance of yoga. We introduced a new program on 12th August. It is our youth parliament. Children did commendably well in the parliament and got appreciation from the chief guest, Mr. Jagaveera Pandiyan, ex-MLA of Mayiladurai.
On 15th August, Independence Day was celebrated in our campus with the right spirit. Patriotic feel was brought down to all children and Mr. Selvanayagam hoisted our national flag and witnessed all the cultural program. 2 of our children, Master Akash of class 7 and Miss Sherlyn Roslina of class 4, were taken to Chennai on 4th September to appear for the second level of Wild Wisdom Quiz conducted by CBSE and WWF India.
Along with Ganesh Chaturthi, Teachers Day was celebrated on 6th September. Teachers took the responsibility of presenting the assembly program. KG kids dressed up like Ganesha and they blessed all of us. On 29th September, drawing competition was conducted in our school. Children drew pictures according to the topic given to them.
On 3rd October, some children dressed up like Mahatma Gandhi and they shared some valuable thoughts of Mahatma Gandhi.
On 11th October, Vijayadashmi was celebrated with a new arrival of our school. 5 blooming buddies joined with us on this auspicious occasion. On 24th October, UNO Day was celebrated by us and model of UNO was depicted in our campus. On 11th November, 15 children from our school were taken to Vivekananda Matriculation School at Sirgali to exhibit their scientific talents in the mega event named Veetikodu Vignani, and they brought laurel to our school in the form of medals and certificates.
40 students represented our school in the International Cultural Meet entitled Arohan, held at Tamara International School, Tanjavur on 12th November 2016. 8 students, namely Kavinmati, Sajanya, Yugavani, Sajit Rajan, Sai Ram Kishan, Sabari Manivasagan, Kabil and Lingit won the first prize in vocal song and they got the championship.
On 26th November, Constitution Day was celebrated in a grand manner and a quiz about Constitution was conducted in our school.
As a part of the curriculum, children from class 1 to 8 were taken to Govindapuram, Dharasuram, Tribhuvanam Silk Weaving Center, Adurai Rice Research Institute on November 21. Children of class 9 and 10 spent their 4 days from 16th November to 21st November in Mysore and Bangalore, and they gained much about other states and many more information. On 3rd December, 2 teachers, namely Miss Prema and Miss Nirmala, represented our school in the science workshop organized by Oxford Publication at Trichy, and they got participation certificate.
On 13 December, under the guidance of our teacher, Ms. Manonmani, three students, namely E. Keertana, R. Abhirami and P. Sadish Rajan, were taken to Coimbatore to take part in the 24th National Children's Science Congress, and they won medals and certificates.
On 15th December, all teachers of our school attended a workshop on child psychology, and the expert from Chennai made the session a fruitful one by sharing his views on child psychology.
On 17th December, three students, namely Adarsh, Maslamani and Sashwat, appeared in post office quiz organized by the CBSE, and they won prizes and medals. On 24th December, Christmas was celebrated in our campus. The birth of Jesus Christ was shown to all students by enacting the story, and cultures like dance, drama and song were organized house-wise to nurture the team spirit among them.
Elocution competition was conducted by English department on 6th January, and the talents of many children were brought on the stage.
On 13th January, Pongal was celebrated in our campus in a different way. House-wise competition in various activities like Rangoli, drama, song and dance were done by our students, and they did extremely well.
On 26th January, Republic Day was celebrated by the children of EKBS in defeating manner. Mr. Radhakrishnan, MLA of Mailadurai, presided over the function, and he blessed all our students to have a brightful future.
Three students, namely Prasanna, Sashwat and Maslamani of class 10, under the guidance of Mr. Krishnan, participated in Heritage Quiz held at Chennai on 2nd February 2017.
On 10th February, as per the instruction of Tamil Nadu government, a vaccination camp was conducted by team of doctors, and a brief lecture was given to all the parents about the need of vaccination.
Our blooming buddies appeared for fancy dress competition on 15 February 2017. Dr. Rashida and Dr. Anita were invited as a judge, and they gave away the prizes to the kids.
On 16 February, a quiz master, Mr. Muthukumar, the founder of CEOL, conducted a quiz competition in our school campus, and gave away the prizes to the winners.
On 18 February, our annual sports day was celebrated in a grand manner. Mr. Kalitithan, DSP of Mailadurai, and Mr. Tyagabari, founder of Veludiyar Institution, presided over the function and gave away prizes to all sports activities.
On 22nd February, Thinking Day was celebrated in our school. One-day scout camp was organized for the Scouts and Guides children.
On the 28th February, National Science Day was celebrated in our campus. Mr. Ryer and Mr. Shobha witnessed all the projects exhibited by the students, and they selected the best project in all the classes.
On 3rd March, All-Faith Prayer was organized especially for class 10 students in our school. Parents were invited, and they attended the prayer of different religion. Hall tickets were given by our chairman to all the students of class 10. A special counseling session was arranged on 12th March for students and teachers. Mr. Avinash, a counselor from Chennai, gave counseling to the students and teachers on positive approach.
On 9th March, our UKG children celebrated their graduation day. Mrs. Chitra Jayaraman presided over the function, and she honored the children by giving graduation medals and other prizes of this academic year. On 28th March, the last and the most important program of this academic year, that is result declaration, was organized in our school. Mr. Venkat, a trainer from Max Academy, presided over the function and gave away the prizes for all the CCA activities conducted during this academic year.
Our other achievements during this academic year 2016 to 17, 64 students participated under a different category in Teddy Green Olympiad conducted by CBSE, and 5 of them, namely Harini Agoromurthy of class 5, Titiksha of class 5, Lingit Saivaxan of Harshavardhan of class 7 and Sajit Rajan of class 8 won merit awards.
Around 200 students of our school took part in the exams conducted by the Science Olympiad Foundation, and 27 won medals and certificates. 8 of our students represented themselves in the second level exam.
Creative Writing Expression Series on PCRA was conducted by CBSE. 50 students of our school won the prize. Many of our students have taken part in the competitions conducted by CBSE and Ministry of India, namely school painting competition entitled Save Water and Save Life, painting competition entitled Clean Fuel for Better Life, and Ilanthalai 2016, the Children's Festival held at South Zone level.
24 of our students took part in NTSC conducted by NCRT and were given participation certificate. Skating and archery are the most important ECA activity that has brought laurel to our institution. Indian Sports Academy, Nagai district conducted 7 district championships in Aragajodi Academy, wherein 20 students of our school participated and bagged 40 medals as the runners.
Our management sponsored 5 top students, namely Ravi Jain of class 8, Ashwin Singh Aravel of class 7, Prasanna Kumar of class 7, Ganesh of class 6 and Hassan Rila of class 6 for the district level skating competition, and they won gold medals.
Similarly, in archery, 3rd national game conducted by the Students Olympic Association in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh, 4 of our students participated and bagged 2 gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze. Master Harshit, Ms. Pinglashri, Master Lokesh and Master Yogeshwaran bagged medals and prizes.
It gives me a great pleasure to inform you that Master D. Ravi Jain of class 8 is selected to take part in 3rd international games conducted by Asia at Malacca, Malaysia.
As a part of BNW program, students of 9th and 10th were addressed to environmental issues and its impact on the present generation. The eminent person, Mr. Deepalan, on his way to Kanyakumari, inspired the children and conducted quiz and gave away the prizes.
Training in choral music through structured curriculum program was also offered to students from class 3 to 8 during school hours, with an expertise support of music teacher and keyboard master.
By nurturing young minds and strengthening the values, EKBS strives to motivate students to reach their potential and thus make them productive citizens of the world and worthy human beings.
On this joyful occasion, EKBS assure you of a continuous commitment to excel in the serving cause of education. As someone rightly said, in the right formation, the flying powers of many wings can achieve twice the distance of any bird flying alone. I owe every one of our achievement to Team EKBS. In last years, team members may have changed, but the team spirit remains the same. The tradition of excellence continues. I thank Almighty for bringing together the right people in right time, each endowed with unique strength and talent united by a common cause. I seek His blessing and guidance in every step of our way in years ahead. Thank you for joining with us in KenPlus 17. To know more about our school, stay tuned to ATS Power TV. See you again in KenPlus 18. Jai Hind.